How you doing today and welcome to another Mix Tips with Mage. On today's video, I just want to show you a quick one on how to blend background vocals and lead vocals together to have a very cohesive mix, not letting the background vocals wash out and also not letting it overshadow the lead vocals. So without further ado, let me show you what we are working on today. This is a song I have mixed already. I just want to add some extra elements to bring more shine and more beauty to the song. So listen to the song we have today. So I'll play you the song we have today to hear what we're working on.
Blessings overflow, the goodness overflow, the favor overflow. I know we shout, I know we count. Blessings overflow, the goodness overflow, the favor overflow. I know we shout, I know we count.
Yeah. So that's you can hear as you can hear that already it's been mixed. There's a whole lot of processing that has been added to the sound already. What I just want to do now is you can hear that the background vocals are really not present in the mix. Yes. So this technique I want to show you is going to bring the background vocals up front without even competing for space with the lead vocals. First thing I do is create a bus. I'm creating a new bus here, which is bus 12, as you can see. And on that bus, I have the Plugin Alliance SPL Vitalizer. This is a mix bus plugin. You can use it for multiple processing. What I'm doing here is dialing in about 1.5 of the drive. This drive is more like a preamp and to give you some total harmonic distortion, a bit of it. So I'm just adding that about 1.5 dB of that gain. No compression, just raising the processing to the max here, and also giving it some width, expanding it so the background vocals could have more space and shine and cut through. So basically, this is my settings on the SPL Vitalizer. Nothing more than that. You can as well experiment and go deeper and check if you can as well go deeper to check and see which settings suit your own style of mixing. So let's hear what the vitalizer is actually doing. I'm going to be exaggerating the change so you can hear the effect of what the vitalizer is actually doing on the vocals.
Blessings overflow, the goodness overflow, the favor overflow. I know we shout, I know we count. Blessings overflow, the goodness overflow, the favor overflow. I know we shout, I know we count. Blessings overflow, the goodness overflow.
So I'm going to A/B the plugin so you hear what it's actually doing, seeing how already it's bringing brightness to the vocals. Let's hear that.
Blessings overflow, the goodness overflow, the favor overflow. I know we shout, I know we count. Blessings overflow, your goodness overflow, your favor overflow. I know we shout, I know we count. Blessings overflow, your goodness overflow.
Now you can hear how present the background vocals are, and they are not even competing with the lead vocals. And another plugin I add is a doubler. The doubler kind of gives me a chorusy effect, like a flanger, and makes the vocals sound a bit more like I'm adding extra layers of vocals to those background vocals. This is the Waves Doubler 4. I'm doing no tweaking on it, just the default preset here. And let's hear what that is doing alongside with the vocals.
Blessings overflow, the goodness overflow, the favor overflow. I know we shout, I know we count. Blessings overflow, your goodness overflow, your favor overflow. I know we shout, I know we count. Blessings overflow, the goodness overflow, the favor overflow. I know we shout, I know we count.
As you can hear, the background vocals are in your face, but they are not actually competing with space with the lead vocals. So this is a very effective way on how to mix and blend your background vocals with your lead vocals. Thanks for watching, guys.